Hello science fans! Welcome to another journey into the wonders of space exploration. Today we're diving into the incredible story of Zhurong, China's very first rover to land and operate on Mars, a true milestone in the nation's space ambitions. Zhurong is part of the ambitious Tianwen-1 mission, which represents a bold leap for China's space program. In a single mission, China achieved orbit, landing and roving on Mars, an extraordinary technical feat that only a few nations have ever accomplished. The mission began with an orbiter mapping the mysterious Martian landscape, followed by a daring lander descent through the planet's thin, unpredictable atmosphere, what engineers dramatically call the 7 minutes of terror. Every second was filled with tension and hope. Against the odds, Zhurong successfully rolled onto the Martian surface, ready to begin its historic exploration and scientific adventure. Named after a legendary fire god from Chinese mythology, Zhurong is about the size of a small car. It's powered by solar panels and packed with a suite of advanced scientific instruments designed to unlock Mars's secrets. Its ground-penetrating radar is a standout feature, allowing scientists to peer beneath the Martian surface without digging, revealing hidden layers and possible signs of ancient water or ice. For decades, Mars exploration was dominated by NASA and a handful of other agencies. But Zhurong's arrival marked a new era, another nation joining the quest to understand our mysterious planetary neighbor and expanding the global effort. More explorers on Mars mean more discoveries, more perspectives, and a faster pace of learning about the red planet's history and potential for life. Zhurong isn't just a robot, it's a symbol of global scientific progress, international collaboration, and our shared curiosity about the universe. The adventure is just beginning. When people think of Mars rovers, NASA's Sojourner, Spirit, Opportunity, Curiosity, and Perseverance come to mind. Zhurong, a contemporary of Perseverance, may be smaller but is highly capable, with instruments that complement NASA's work. Its radar probes deeper into the Martian subsurface, offering a new perspective on Mars's hidden layers. Unlike NASA's separate missions, China's Tianwen-1 combined orbiter, lander, and rover in one ambitious package. The orbiter continues to relay data and conduct its own science, creating synergy between sky and ground. Zhurong's unique landing site and tools reflect China's fresh scientific priorities, not just repeating past missions. This international, collaborative, and competitive spirit is what drives Mars science forward. Each rover adds a vital piece to the puzzle of the red planet. Choosing the right landing site is absolutely crucial for any Mars mission. It's the first step in unlocking the planet's secrets and maximizing scientific discovery. China selected Utopia Planitia, a vast, smooth basin in Mars's northern hemisphere, as the destination for its ambitious Zhurong rover. This enormous impact crater may have once held an ancient Martian ocean, with tantalizing evidence of possible shorelines and large deposits of buried water ice beneath the surface. Zhurong's mission is to search for signs of this lost sea, study the ice hidden below, and analyze the soil for clues about Mars's watery past. Utopia Planitia is geologically younger than many previous landing sites, offering scientists a rare window into Mars's more recent history and surface changes. The region could reveal how Mars transformed from a wet, potentially habitable world to the cold, dry planet we see today, helping us understand planetary evolution. While NASA's Perseverance explores the ancient river deltas of Jezero Crater, Zhurong investigates a younger, icier plane, broadening our knowledge of Mars's diverse environments. This strategic choice means the two rovers complement each other, not duplicate efforts, each targeting different chapters of Mars's story. Utopia Planitia is the perfect place to hunt for clues of recent water activity and may even hold answers to whether Mars could have supported life in its more recent past. Zhurong's ground-penetrating radar revealed a hidden world beneath the Martian dust, offering us a rare glimpse into the red planet's mysterious subsurface. For the first time, scientists could peer below the surface and uncover secrets that have been buried for millions of years. The radar mapped multiple, distinct underground layers, some stretching hundreds of feet deep. These layers tell a story of Mars's complex geological history, revealing how the landscape has changed over time. The deepest layers suggest ancient, powerful floods, evidence that Utopia Planitia was shaped by massive water flows. These floods may have carved channels and left behind vast plains, hinting at a time when Mars was much wetter than it is today. Closer to the surface, Zhurong found a thick layer from a more recent era, rich in hydrated minerals, rocks with water locked inside. This discovery points to a period when water was still active, altering the Martian crust. These minerals indicate that liquid water was present here much more recently than we thought, possibly within the last few million years. It challenges our assumptions about when Mars became dry and inhospitable. The rover also discovered salty crusts, likely formed when briny groundwater seeped up and evaporated. These crusts are a direct sign of water activity near the surface. This process would require liquid water near the surface even in the recent past. It suggests that Mars may have been more habitable, at least for microbes, than we previously believed. The findings point to small-scale water activity in the last few 100,000 years, a blink in geological time. Such recent activity raises new questions about Mars's climate and its potential to support life. Mars isn't just a fossil planet, it's more dynamic than we imagined. The red planet is still changing, shaped by forces both ancient and surprisingly recent. Zhurong's discoveries have changed our view of the red planet, opening up new possibilities for future exploration and the search for life beyond Earth. For years, scientists believed Mars lost its water billions of years ago, becoming a frozen desert. Zhurong's findings challenge that story, revealing evidence of water activity in the relatively recent past. Its radar shows repeated episodes of flooding, separated by long dry spells, a dynamic, not static history. Hydrated minerals in young terrain prove that liquid water interacted with the soil not so long ago. Salty brines could have allowed water to remain liquid even in Mars's cold climate. This suggests that some regions, like Utopia Planitia, may have been periodically habitable. We're not talking rivers and lakes, but temporary underground pockets of salty water. And wherever there's water, even briny and cold, the question of life arises. Zhurong has shown us that Mars's story is far from over. What causes water to appear and disappear on Mars? The answer lies in the planet's wild climate cycles. Mars's tilt changes dramatically over thousands of years, unlike Earth's relatively stable axis. When the tilt is high, polar ice sublimates, thickening the atmosphere and warming the planet. These warmer periods could allow buried ice to melt, forming salty brines. Zhurong's underground layers match these cycles, wet periods during high tilt, dry layers when the planet cools. Evidence of recent water activity fits with times when Mars was warmer and wetter. This raises the possibility that microbial life could have survived in underground brines during these brief warm spells. Mars may not be dead, just dormant, waiting for the next climate shift. After over a year of exploration, Zhurong fell silent, likely due to dust covering its solar panels. But its legacy lives on. Its discoveries have fueled the push for a Mars sample return mission. Rovers are limited. Earth's labs can analyze Martian soil in far greater detail. China's upcoming Tianwen-3 mission aims to bring Mars samples home around 2030. This could finally answer the question, has there ever been life on Mars? Zhurong has shown us where to look and what to look for, revealing a complex, dynamic world. The silent rover is not an end but a beginning, passing the baton to the next generation of explorers. The science continues.